Okay, Gracie, tell everybody what you're doing.
Seeing a birdhouse.
What? Because I sure as heck. Today is what? January 4th, 2018, and you're doing what?
Doing a birdhouse.
You're doing a birdhouse. How do you do a birdhouse?
I don't know.
I would say you look like you're painting your birdhouse, not doing a birdhouse. What do you think? Are you painting a birdhouse or are you doing a birdhouse?
Painting.
Okay. And what color are you painting it?
Well, I'm painting the back of it blue.
And you're painting the back of it blue. Okay. What else you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why not? So my little devil pup is doing a blue birdhouse. Is that for blue jays or is that for cardinals?
I don't know.
What do you think's going to live in it?
Whatever.
And all your markers have disappeared.
I know.
Those aren't the ones that smell, are they? No, they're not? Okay. Well, if you say so. How many different pieces of art crap do you have? Or stuff. Not crap, but stuff. Yeesh.
I don't even know what that is. I just found it.
You got that for, I don't know, the Christmas, there's a Minions one you got a while back.
It wasn't Christmas, it was Easter, I think.
And then you got more watercolors.
And then I have another thing.
More watercolors. You know how many, when I was your age though, I used to love watercolors. And these are more Minions things that go right there.
I have like 5 of them.
Now, my question is, how do you got press-on nails out here with art supplies? I mean, seriously, how does art supplies go then press-on nails?
We're going to get some more.
More what?
Press-on nails.
I'm not getting no more press-on nails.
Press-on nails.
We're not getting no more press-on nails.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
You are incorrect.
We need some more press-on.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
You are seriously on cloud 9 if you think that's going to happen.
No, I'm on cloud 10.
There is no cloud 10. Cloud 10 blew up with the rest of the clouds a long time ago.
Well, that's because they're smart.
What, the clouds are smart or you're smart?
I'm smart.
Really? Should I show everybody your closet?
No.
You know, the one that I just took out like freaking everything out of. Now, explain to me, why do kids think they can shove everything into a closet and they clean their room? Can you explain this to me? Because I noticed, not you, it's like all kids, they like to shove stuff in their closet. Now tell me, what's the mindset behind that? Do you not think that mommy or daddy are not going to look in the closet?
No, it's just...
It's quick and easy, and you just throw things in there like, oh, no one's going to look in here.
Yeah.
And oh, by the way, look, now I got a clean floor.
That's exactly what just happened.
So now we just got to throw everything in the closet, and we got a clean floor. You know, now that Elf on the Shelf is gone, now we got Belt on the Shelf. So I guess, you know, we'll put Belt on the Shelf for every time Gracie wants to think that, oh, look, I'll just throw everything in the closet. And then Belt on the Shelf can come out, and we should make Belt on the Shelf a thing. What do you think?
Okay, what are we doing next?
You want to show everybody at the front of your birdhouse?
Wait.
Want to show them the front? Because no offense, but I don't think anybody's going to look at the back door because there is no back door in a birdhouse. There's no back door in a birdhouse.
I'll even make that.
What do you think that your bird's going to be like, hey, don't come to the front door, you'll track mud in, come to the back door.
Yeah, because then they can't even get in. Birds are smart.
Sorry, squirrels go to the back door, birds come to the front door.
Yeah.
And the squirrel's like, hey, there's nobody back here, and they're going to sit back there knocking the whole time, like knock, 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 knock.
Shut up.
Knocking on a birdhouse door. You think that's what's going to happen?
I don't know.
Hey, show everybody the front.
Oh, wait.
Show everybody the front.
You see my friends watch me.
Yes. What do you think of that front? See, it's a purple front. We still got to put the lacquer and stuff on it. We got lacquer to put on it, so.
This is good.
That's good. I'm glad it's good.
And I'm glad it is too.
Okay. You're doing a good job, except for your messy closet. Huh? What? Me? Messy? Closet? No. What are you talking about, Daddy?
No,
I got a
I'm
messy
not
closet?
done though.
I got a messy closet, Daddy? What are you talking about?
Okay.
Daddy, I would never have a messy closet. I'm sure my daughter has a million and one excuses why her closet is not messy. I think we should do a biography on Gracie's closet.
Well, you see, folks, if you don't have a messy closet, you haven't lived. Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying.
Wow. So, you're just a strange child, you know that? I love you, but you're strange.